In the year 1986, Shenzhen was a city full of dreams and vitality. An enterprise began his ambitious pursuit on this hot land. After over 30 years of accumulation and precipitation, it has developed into 6 regions: Jinzhou Industrial Park, Genzon Office, Shanghai Branch, Mould Branch, CNC Drilling Branch, and Repointing Center, become the world's leading micro-precision cutting tools enterprise. As China's first batch of single-champion demonstration enterprise of manufacturing industry, Jinzhou is the biggest designer and manufacturer of tungsten carbide drills and routers. Awarded as Outstanding National Brand Enterprise 4 times in a row. Customers are the greatest value of Jinzhou's existence. Innovation is the primary force of Jinzhou's development. Jinzhou invests more than 5% of operating revenue into research and development, possesses nearly 100 invention patents and 200 utility model patents, introduces the world's most advanced R&D and testing equipment, equips first-class scientific research team mainly composed of doctors and masters to ensure quality from every detail, and keep Jinzhou as world-class enterprise in PCB industry. Perfection is our constant pursuit. Jinzhou has been engaged in micro-cutting tools manufacturing for 30 years. From rod to finished product, through a number of precision grinding procedures. After a long-term accumulation, Jinzhou has reached a world-leading level in micro-drill processing capability. Each product represents Jinzhou's pursuit of perfection and sublimation of its experience. Jinzhou cutting tools can be customized, include various kinds of high-precision mills, drills, and reamers, which are widely applied to 3C, molds, medical and dental, auto and aerospace areas, serves customers with overall solutions. In the future, the establishment of Intelligent Factory will greatly boost Jinzhou. Quality derives from enduring practices and experiences. Success stems from perseverance. Jinzhou continues to develop and improve the manufacturing process flow, treats each procedure rigorously, applies scientific management methods like 6S and TPM, establishes complete quality system, and equips high-quality personnel to ensure quality of each product. Quality is the soul of the product. We take strict measures to control quality from raw material to product, to ensure the quality of each product produced by us. With first-class talents, first-class technology, first-class products, and first-class service, Jinzhou occupied market shares and favored by customers from China, Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, etc. We make great enterprises our customers and make our customers great enterprises. Talent is the cornerstone of business success. Jinzhou builds different development platforms to help employees realize their life value. Excellent company culture gathers employees with strong cohesiveness. Employees enjoy the happiness of growth with the company. No pains, no gains. Industry leading is only the first step to success. Jinzhou will continue to develop along the innovation change of science and technology with boldness and strength, and move forward with global perspectives.